Hackathons are so important. It's a great way to network, to push your skills, to learn new skills and improve and focus the skills you already have. Actually, the best teams are where they're diverse and mixed with different skills, different backgrounds, different experiences. A football team doesn't have a team full of goalies. It has people with different skills and different experiences, different positions, so that they can allow the team to push forward and win. My name's Eddie and we're here at Microsoft Reactor in London, Travel Hack 2019. It's World Tourism Day today, and what a buzz you can hear and see behind me. It's the first evening of the hackathon. Everyone's really getting involved already and getting really excited. Hackathons that I have won is where we have actually had a mixed team. Hackathons where we've all been developers or coders, we haven't done very well. Technically we might have done, but the whole project as a whole is not a viable product, not something we could demo. Hackathons allow you to push your skills further, fine-tune the ones you have, and also learn skills that you haven't got. With hackathons, having super tight deadlines of 24 or 48 hours, you really need to keep your project lean, and it's such a great way to work under that pressure. And with different people, you're being a bit tired and a bit hungry, although they usually supply lots of food, that your day job will just seem so easy and kind of boring. Hackathons will help you focus your ideas and also train you to explain your ideas a lot better. You'll get so many ideas at hackathons. You'll bounce ideas of other people and vice versa, and you'll get more ideas. And it's such a great way to try and hone your ideas and control them so they don't get too far out of control. And also to explain your ideas to other people who have different backgrounds. It's really important. It's one thing to code at home, it's another to code at work or at a hackathon. Don't get me wrong, still code at home, still have those side projects, but let's compare it to someone who cycles. Imagine someone who cycles at home or in the gym or one of those stationary bikes. It's not the same as someone who goes out off-roading. They have to be aware of trees, rocks, shingle, stones, potholes, puddles. And then the people who go on the road have to be careful of cars, other pedestrians, other cyclists, traffic lights, and then both of those need to be aware of weather conditions. There's so many variables to be aware of. So get your skills, your coding skills, your non-coding skills, and go to a hackathon and improve them and work on them. It's the best thing you can do to help your CV and help your career and excel your career. If you're near London or Barcelona or Belgrade or 13 other cities around the world, go to the hackathon, do get involved. I cannot encourage you enough. Subscribe to my channel below and follow the videos from the hackathon, from the intro to the hackathon, to the discussions I have with the team, to the demos and the winner of the hackathon. Don't be shy, come and say hi, give yourself a shout out or give your team a shout out and your project a shout out on my vlog. If you're interested in coding, don't forget to check out my other channel, Code Mortals. It's about coding best practices, focusing on your pipeline. So to get your foundation in place from not just your code, but your continuous integration, your automated tests, and your continuous deployment. So as you add more code, as you add more tests, as you add more other tools like accessibility, pen testing, all those great tools on CI, it deploys out correctly at the right time and makes sure that quality is always high. People think this makes you go slower, it actually makes you go faster. You've got to think about next week, not just about today. Hacktoberfest is coming around the corner. Don't forget to give 4 open source contributions to get your free Hacktoberfest t-shirt, which is a limited edition.